Let's come together to reunite a dog with its family. If you don't recognize this dog, please share this video so we can spread the word. And if you do recognize the dog, there's a phone number and an email address down in the description. Oh!
You can't sit out here, puppy.
Where's home, puppy? Huh? Where's home? What's up, Minuteers? It's Minute Brian with a Minute Vlog. I was going to drive to work and I found a puppy.
Yeah, let's get out of the street.
No tags. Oh, where's home, puppy? No? You're gonna go this way? Okay, I'll follow you.
Hey, puppy. Puppy, where's your home?
Do you know this car? Let's go knock on this door. Hi. Do you know whose dog this is?
No, I don't.
Okay.
Puppy, puppy. You came from this way. Let's go back this way. Good puppy. Oh, good puppy.
Is this home, puppy? You came from around the corner.
Good puppy. You're a good puppy.
Okay, the street again. Puppy. Puppy. Hey, hey, hey. Do you know whose this is? I just found it was walking around. Where are you from? Puppy, come here. This is not the way the puppy came from, but the puppy does not want to listen to me anymore. Puppy! Puppy! Over. Nope. Let's go this way. Yes. Yeah, that's the way back home.
Good puppy. Good puppy.
At this point, I stopped recording because I was calling my parents. They got a nice big car. We might be able to take the dog in, figure out where its family is. And then we got to a busy street, and you can already see how much it likes streets. And there was a dog right across, and there was one car on the street, and thank God their windows were cracked, because if they hadn't been, they might not have heard me hear, stop, 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 like really loud. The dog just darted across. And this close to dying or getting seriously injured.
Let's see if we can get him down the street a little bit.
Jeez. Oh,
Yeah, but he's young. He's like a puppy. Hey. Come here, buddy. Come here. Let's see if we can get him to my backyard. Come on. Hey, come on. Come on.
hey, hey, hey.
Come on. Hey, come on. Hey, puppy. Hey, come on. Come on. Come on. Hey.
Hey, puppy, puppy.
Come on. Yeah, no jumping. Hey, puppy, puppy. Get out of that grill. Yeah, it's not very old. Look at that. You, no barking.
You look like a tiny version of my old dog.
We just got her this morning. So she's been like, she's kind of nervous.
You look like my old dog Quinn. Like a lot.
All right.
Well, ran into a person with the white dog. Immediately after, this puppy almost got hit by a car. She ran out on the street and the car was this close to hitting her.
She's real sweet. And my wife posted the picture of her in the Jefferson Park Facebook page.
Okay. We don't send them to animal control.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll take it and network her big time on Facebook. And
Okay. She's
Okay.
a real sweetheart.
all right, yeah.
So
We'll get her call.
okay. Thank you, sir.
She might have a chip.
She might. Yeah.
We have a
she could.
scanner at the station.
You want to say bye, puppy?
Oh, you were so nice.
She really is. We just got another dog. It's a rescue dog this morning. It's like, otherwise I'd have kept her. She's real nice. You know?
Yeah, I'm sure somebody will be out looking for her.
I mean,
She's
she's well
taken care of.
Yeah.
So we've got 3 dogs today now.
Yeah. 3 dogs.
Yeah, we got a large like pit boxer mix, and then
Yeah.
a little like a schnauzer terrier or something. Yeah.
Everybody's got their dogs.
Yeah. All right.
Here's around the nice weather.
Yep.
Alrighty, thank you,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
Have a good day, guys.
You too.
I know your mom very well. Tell Mary I said hello.
Yeah, sure. Bye. Holy shit. It's perfect timing, but man, that puppy, I'm still shaken inside at having almost seen her get hit by that car. Jeez. That's a way to start a Sunday. Alright, Minuteers, that has been the minute.